How to switch accounts on Discord mobile, and can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, on Discord desktop version, you have the option and the feature to switch between account just like any other social media. However, as of right now, unfortunately, this feature is not yet available on the Discord mobile app. And the only thing that you can do to switch between account is to log out of this existing account and log in to the other account that you want to switch to. And you can simply do this by clicking on the profile picture or icon at the bottom right corner and then scroll all the way down till you find this account section, which has the logout option, which you can just click on and log in to your other account. And unfortunately, this is the only way to do so as of right now. And if Discord added this feature in the future, I will make an update video. So that was it for this video. That's how you can switch accounts on Discord mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.